It's Eugenio Quintero from City Engineering Group. City Engineering Group is a engineering company and leader in technological innovation. And sorry, but I can't turn on my camera because in our place we have security restrictions for that. Well, okay. What city engineers offer is the possibility of adapting legacy machines or processes to new technologies, ultimately allowing a digital twin to be achieved based in connectivity and exchange of data in the process. For that, we more specifically in the pilot experiment, we have developed an IoT nodes based on RFID technology and REST services to allow the traceability of raw material like these ones, for example. We have the knowledge in all the industry 4.0 technologies. We develop a phase to allow a smooth transition from the old process to the new ones for a better adaptation to change. In this project for painting manufacturing, we developed some IoT nodes for traceability based in REST API technology for the communication the data in the warehouse. This is all. It's a very short presentation. This is like a CT engineering group is offering to the marketplace and the companies. Our proposal is creating or adapting legacy machines and adapting to new technologies. For example, using protocols like OPC UA, MQTT, or Profibus or similar. And this is all from our side.
Okay, thank you.